What's going on, YouTube? Man, it's your boy Trap Vision 3D, and today is an unboxing, surprise unboxing. And the surprise is, really, this is the last unboxing for me for the year. And so tomorrow live, I'm going to be showcasing my stated collection. Never done it live, never done it in December. Normally, I've done it probably like mid-year or something like that. And of course, I actually got that template from just watching other YouTubers do it, and it just dawned on me, right? Just dawned on me. I was like, you know what, Trap, you've never really kind of fallen into that same groove as other YouTubers or content creators or watch reviewers. So like, yeah. So I decided to do it live because of it's personal to me. You know, there are a lot of you guys that have encouraged some of my purchases, or a lot of my purchases. I've actually purchased some stuff from watching other reviewers, and because I've gone to a number of events in the past few years, that has inspired my collection, so to speak. So right now, let me do a Mark Island type deal. I'm following suit with another content creator. I have on my Batman, you know what I'm saying, that I created over there at Kokomo Watch Company, and I have on my Orca, which I just unboxed, unveiled, or showed you guys a couple days ago. Yeah, rocking the blues, you know what I'm saying? So those are my watches of today. For now, I will change later, but let's get into this unboxing, man, because this watch, I will say, I'm gonna give you a story on it before I even show you. It's very special to me because I saw this watch at a wind-up show, right? I saw a version of it at the wind-up show, and even though YouTube has been promoting, or these content creators have been promoting true GMTs and the collar GMTs, I have a GMT in my collection, and I didn't need another one because I don't travel like that, and even if I did, whatever. So I wanted to get something that spoke to me. I do believe in the quality of this product because I seen it, I held it in hand, and I thought it was phenomenal. So my last watch for the year is let's just get into it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, yes, I am at my local mall, and I didn't sharpen my knife from yesterday, but it'll do the trick to get into this. Yeah, so I will say that once you look or say a particular watch brand on online, it starts hitting your Instagram feed. And my Instagram feed was going crazy with this particular watch company. And if you don't know, it's an independent. So here we go. And ooh, there's a note attached. Oh no, there's nothing. That's the invoice. Let's get a close up. Seeing that? People that have purchased from this, you already know what it is.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Your boy finally got his hands. Jack Mason. Before I even open it, man, this is I like this whole book looking design. This thing is crazy. I like that. That's different. And you have to be different in today's. Ooh. Our mantra. Wow, man. Okay. Got the little thing. Okay, presentation is on point. What? Hold up, there's something behind there. And that's one thing about it, man. This is a Texas brand. It's assembled in Texas, even though it's, I believe it has a Miyota movement in it. Comes with, okay. I did order the bracelet. I ordered the bracelet with it. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what this thing looks like, y'all. Oh, Wait. Ooh, sheesh. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh my word. What that man, bro. Dang, designed in Texas, assembled in the US of A. Get you some of that. All right, so yeah, I'm peeling stickers off. So for those that don't know, this watch brand caught my attention, and I saw it on YouTube, of course, and then Instagram, and I got a chance to see it in person, and I tell you what, really nice group of people over there, very responsive on Instagram. They sent me a message like, hey man, I hope you enjoy it. And I have to say, I really like this. I really like this. This is really comfortable, man, really comfortable. I'm gonna tell you something. I do have another micro brand, Fair and Sweat, their strap. I don't know if they get it from if they get their straps from the same person, but this is just as comfortable as my Fair and Sweat timepiece. Oh, it's the strap on there. Hold up. Ooh, y'all. Oh, that feels good. That feels great. Oh my gosh, man. Dang. This thing is beautiful. Look how tall that sucker is, man. That thing. Now, I will say this to all of my Aragon and Invicta collectors. I know this isn't the particular size that you guys will go for, but when I'm telling you the aesthetics, the presence of this thing, man, like if you like this on camera and what you're seeing, I'm telling you right now, my heart is jumping right now, dude. This thing, hope I gotta bring it to life. This thing is crazy, high beat movement, man, no date. And I will say this, hold on, wait a minute. I need a pointer. I watched, who was that, daggone, Random Rob has a pointer. And I actually went out and bought a pointer, but I need a pointer. So I want to point out something, and I'm going to be assisted by my man Megatron. All right, so you see that right there? That right there. They have like the snowflake and whatever other designs they have, you know what I'm saying? You guys know the technical terms for these, but I'll tell you what, that right there, just a representation of it, to me, of all these other number markers except for, you know what I'm saying, that triangle. But then I like the, look, hold up, come back, point, come on. That right there, the cardinal positions, man, oh, that's crazy. Hold up, get it, matter of fact, hold up. Get a closer look. Hydro timer. Ooh, the distortion on that bad boy. Look at the shine. Can you see? You can see me. See my head bobbing back and forth? Yeah, I appreciate this, man. I really like this. 316 L steel, and it's treated too, though. This one is 12 Vickers, man. 300 meters. That's 1,000 feet. So you can go swimming. Let's see. Movement regulated in that's another thing too. They regulate it here in the United States, and then quick release for that. And I will be eventually putting this on, but hold on, let me see. Let me put it up to it. See what that'll look like. Oh, hold on. Let me scan back out. Let me pan back out. I said scan. Pan back out. Yeah. That'll work. That'll work. All right, so. Stand up, pointer. Come on, bro. It's going to sleep on the job. All right, so this is the last timepiece for me to unbox. Tomorrow, I'll be doing a live show for Christmas. And let me just say this. I thank everybody that has participated, that has helped me along the way. All of the watchmakers that I've met, all of the independents that I've met, and if I'm keeping up with you on Instagram, or if you got my personal number, man, I appreciate you guys. This thing right here is not about so much the watch, because you can buy a watch anywhere. You know what I'm saying? I have made some great relationships along the way, and I know this is supposed to be an unboxing, but hey, Again, I don't follow I don't follow the trends. I do it. I'm lying. I follow trends too, but I try to stick to my own path. But I do want to appreciate everybody and just acknowledge everybody that have helped me along the way, that have directed me in these paths, man. This thing, I say these things connect us, all of us. You know what I'm saying? Like, because I know there's a number of people that have Jack Mason products, you know what I'm saying? And if you have this, leave a comment. Let me know which one you're rocking. What do you like most about it? And let everybody else know, you know, because again, I don't know what it is to be, well, I actually built this watch, so I know a little bit of what it takes to actually build a watch. But as far as designing and trying to get something out and get a design that people will love or something like that, or even like, is, I mean, I couldn't even imagine the headache. So to the team over at Jack Mason, I am very pleased with this watch, this colorway, and the fact that, I mean, no date. I dig it. I dig it. I dig it. This is going into my grill. I know that word, we use that word loosely, but I'm telling you, this is something that I'll pass down. So kids, this is documented. If you ever watch my show, because I know my kids don't watch, and you want to know what was one of Dad's favorite watches, there's only a couple videos where I said that. This is one, instantly, off top. This is a watch that I think is very important to my collection. Even though I just got it, haven't had a chance to afford to perform and do its thing, but I was excited off day one of watching this at the wind up in Chicago. So Jack Mason, kudos to you guys. Amazing timepiece. And that will conclude my unboxings for this year. So we don't know what's coming up next year. You guys have to stay tuned. See you guys tomorrow. And then we'll follow up next week. Me and Vic, Magnum Vic, will be doing a live broadcasting together, and we will follow up with the best places that I've purchased from this year and the worst. Now I'll give you my top 5 watches of the year. I'm already calling this one is in the top 5. This right here is in the top 5 already. So until the next lightning strike, ladies and gentlemen, y'all be blessed.